Cassie and I would now like to turn your attention to our Bachelor's Bound initiative. We're thrilled to share our Bachelor's Bound initiative with you, and we're going to start with our why. So why Bachelor's Bound? As your community's college, we constantly seek new and better ways to fulfill our mission and achieve our vision. As always, we start with our mission first, and as a quick reminder, we serve our communities by providing access to excellent and affordable education, training, and services that will improve the lives of individuals and strengthen communities. Not only that, our vision is to be our community's first choice institution. Cassie and I believe that Bachelor's Bound moves us closer to our vision and mission. We're certain that each of you believes that educational attainment is a powerful way to achieve a higher quality of life. You chose to work in higher education because of that belief. We also know that far too often families are burdened with an unmanageable debt load because of the traditional pathway to a bachelor's. Residential colleges and universities compete on amenities that drive the cost of attendance up, and on-campus housing is expensive. Northwest State's Bachelor's Bound initiative provides financial access to a more affordable education. Room and board is completely eliminated from the equation, and our tuition is a fraction of university tuition. We have outstanding faculty, high-quality courses, and an ongoing commitment to low-cost instructional materials. Now, I'd like you to think about the difference between these two numbers for just a moment. $39,000 versus $10,000. That is the average public university tuition and room and board compared to Northwest State's tuition for a single year. Now think about this number. The United States student loan debt is $1.5 trillion across 44 million borrowers. That's according to a February 2019 Forbes article. This is a major social issue. Northwest State is doing something about this through Bachelor's Bound. It's possible for students to earn their bachelor's degree without accumulating massive debt and without sacrificing academic quality. We also put advanced degrees within reach by keeping student costs and student debt levels down. Now I'm going to turn it over to Cassie, who will discuss the student-centered approach that drives Bachelor's Bound.
Bachelor's Bound is a way for Northwest State to meet our community's educational needs, and you are an important part of this work. We have 3 problems that we are addressing: lack of awareness about our transfer options, anxiety about the high-stakes nature of college, and confusion about transfer language. We are reframing transfer into a broader concept that includes all of the transfer options as illustrated in this slide. Degree-based transfer options include new guaranteed transfer pathways in multiple disciplines, while the transfer module and articulation agreements are already in place. Our student-centered approach in admissions and the advising center will serve potential students and families well. The term student-centered refers to a student support strategy that puts the student's needs first. The Bachelor's Bound pathway does not require the student to have all of the answers. They simply need to know that they want to begin at Northwest State and transfer to another college. The student begins by selecting the Bachelor's Bound pathway on the application. From here, they will meet with their advisor to develop a transfer plan and select the major that best meets their needs. And finally, we are excited to present the new look for Bachelor's Bound, designed by one of our own graduates, Ariel Young. You may begin to see this logo on campus for program and promotional materials. Remember, our overarching goals are to serve our communities and improve our transfer rate. We can help students on their pathway to a bachelor's degree through this initiative. We are bringing Bachelor's Bound to rotaries near you. Please let us know where you think we need to share this message in our communities, on or off campus.